Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to clean your makeup brushes using Restore by Maskcara. So Restore is a brush cleaner that not only cleans, it conditions and sanitizes, and it smells really good. It doesn't have that traditional scent that most brush cleaners do where they smell a lot like alcohol. This one is the tropical scent, and then they also have a cotton candy one as well, which I haven't gotten my hands on, but I'm going to show you how to clean all your brushes with just this, Restore, and some paper towels. So let's get right into that part of the video. Is grab the brush that you are wanting to clean and go ahead and take your Restore spray. I have two of them. This one is just brand new and just for looks for the video, but take your Restore spray and spray right on the brush over some paper towels. Give it a good several sprays, and you're gonna wanna, in swirling motions, as you can see, work out the cream product that was in the brush. The more often that you are able to clean your brushes, the less product you will have to use. Your brushes get dirty and then they can kind of clump up in certain areas, and you end up using a lot more product than you need. So then you have an entirely clean and sanitized brush. So you have an entirely clean and sanitized brush on this side. So now we'll do the other side, and we're gonna do just the exact same steps. Spray it all over the brush until your heart is content, and then just in circular motions, work out the product. And I like to go a little bit like outside of where I initially started so I can see how much is left. And then even if my brush looks to the point where like this guy where it's almost clean, I will still go in the second round and just spray again. See, there's a spot that I missed, and just get out anything that's left, because see, it still had stuff in it. So finally I will take the ferrule of the brush, which is the part that we hold, and just kind of wipe it down, and then you have an entirely clean brush on both ends. So what I do when I'm cleaning mine is I will move through this, and then I will fold it in half and use this space, and then flip it over and use this space, so that way you're not wasting paper towels, because it is super easy to do with these guys. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the rest of my brushes since I've already started, and I will speed through this process so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me clean each one, but in reality it really doesn't take that long. And you do want to be pretty delicate when you are cleaning them, because they are, you know, your tools. You just make sure you're not too rough, but also rough enough to get out the product. So it's kind of a fine line. It's harder, like I'll show you on this bronzer brush, it's a little harder to not want to go crazy. So this is the blush B squared brush. I'm getting out the blush. And that side again is one of those brushes that cleans up just really easily. Now the bronzer side is a kind of a different story because it is so much less dense than the other brushes that we use. Oops, that one got bumped around. So you kind of have to rotate, spray all around, spray through the top, and just make sure you really get it saturated. And then do softer, gentler motions. Like you can still, you know, do it quick, but you just need to make sure that you're being soft still. So this brings us to a kind of pivotal point in the video. How do you clean your perfector? So I personally will spray mine down. I just cleaned mine not too long ago, so it shouldn't be too dirty. But I will just go to town spraying it and just blot it into the paper, or into the paper towel. and it just helps remove any excess cream product that's there, as well as sanitize it if you are going to use it on a client. So it is really important that you keep that aside. So there we have squeaky clean and makeup free perfector. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys have any questions about mascara makeup, the brush cleaner, Restore, any of the brushes, go ahead and shoot me a comment, leave it down below, or you can contact me at any of the ways that are listed below. Get in touch with me there, or if you're ready to just straight up buy it, there will be a link there as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much.